Today I'm going to show you how to do this delicious Italian appetizer. It's called bruschetta. You are going to love it. If you don't do so, don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you can receive notification about my new videos. Remember that I will upload a delicious recipe every week and you don't want to miss it. Let's do this because I'm hungry. The main ingredients of this recipe are the tomatoes, of course. Mine are pretty big, so I will use only 2. It's just me and my husband. However, based on how many people you will have, you can use more, probably like 5, depending on how big they are. They have to be really ripe. You will need about 4 cloves of garlic, some oregano to taste, 2-3 leaves of fresh basil, bread, olive oil, salt and pepper to taste. We start by cutting the tomatoes. Cut the tomatoes in big cubes. You will need a really sharp knife so that you don't take the juice out of the tomatoes. We place the tomatoes on a bowl. We've cleaned our cardboard and we start with the next ingredients. We have the garlic. Chop the garlic really small. In a small bowl, add a little bit of the garlic with some olive oil and the rest of the garlic add it with the tomatoes. Add some olive oil on top of the garlic that we just stored. We start cutting the basil leaves. We don't need that part. Just be sure that the basil is fresh because it will give a better flavor to your bruschetta. Add a little bit of oregano, some pepper, and add some salt to taste. Mix everything together and add some olive oil. It's better if you use extra virgin olive oil. This smells so good. And set it aside so that we can prepare the bread. For more flavor, you can spread your bread with some olive oil and garlic. It's gonna give a delicious flavor. However, it's not mandatory. You can just toast your bread and that's it. And take it to the oven. Our bread is ready. It smells amazing. You can add a little bit more extra virgin olive oil for more flavor. And now we add the tomatoes. You can be generous. Don't forget that the bread, you can eat the bread either warm or cold, but as soon as you add the tomato, you have to eat it because it's gonna get wet. This is how it has to look. This smells delicious. If you want a little bit of adventure, buy your favorite wine. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you can receive notification of my next video. Let's go ahead and try this because I'm fine. This is so good.